Alright, next step is I'm just going to follow this diagram. This goes on here. Hold on. Okay, so again, the felt pads removed from here. I put them on the bottom of this where it looked like some places needed them. This lines up perfectly. Again, there are all different kits for different ones, so make sure you get the right one. I bought this as a package on some auction system somewhere. It was like a really decent price, so definitely recommend doing that. Okay, short screws go in the back, so I'm just going to grab these short screws out of here. Whichever ones the short ones are. Short, you look short. Put them back here. And you look short. It's like a centimeter difference, but they are shorter. Tighten the screws up. I feel like I'm almost done. So exciting. Long screws go in the front. And the other long screw. There are only 4 screws on this thing, so the last one. One screw is giving me a hassle, but I think that's because I don't have something aligned. Okay, all done there. Restring the guitar. So, that was it. I'll go ahead and restring the guitar because it won't take too long. One thing I was worried about with installing this is the break angle on the string after the strings come off the bridge and go down to the tailpiece, off the saddles here. It looks a little higher with the Vibramate installed, so I might have to raise things a little here. So I'm going to do that a little bit now, which isn't that hard. You just twist it on the jag here. Cool. Move my tailpiece and stuff over here. With the Bigsby, it comes with these ridiculous instructions that are printed out and have these like really funky Charlotte Brown hand-drawn diagrams here. So I had to look things up. It comes with just the vibrato system and a spring and then this little plastic washer. Plastic washer goes in the bottom. I'm not sure if you need it, but I think it's to keep the like the height height of the whatever tremolo bar off your guitar a little bit. I'm gonna put it in there, and then you just put the spring right on there, and you just kind of make sure it's in place. I mean, I can already tell right now that looks good and looks like fun. So I'm just gonna get my strings out here. I'm putting 11s on because they're nice and thick and bluesy. And from what I understand, like I said, I've never used one of these, you just kind of bend the string a little bit here. Like, I made a little notch like that for the Bigsby, and then you just insert the end of the string, a little hole on the end of the string, over the pin on the Bigsby so that it fits up there. And then you, I'm going to pull this through now. Pull the string under here, and now you have to watch me suffer. That's what I was worried about. Okay, there. Oh shit. Oh no. Shoot. Perhaps I did not bend it enough. Alright. Please work. I feel like if I can just get one, it'll hold the tremolo down enough. But I don't know if it will. Alright, well, for those of you that don't want to watch me change strings, like I said, I've never done this before. I mean, I've changed strings, I've never done the Bigsby. You can probably stop the video now, because you learned all you need to learn from the installation. I may give up in a minute and just do this on my own. Get my capo out and cheat. I can see it sliding off the bar. Alright, this is going to take forever. So, I'm going to go ahead and stop this. You can see how easy the install was. If you have any questions, you can send me a message or whatever. Otherwise, I encourage everyone to invest in a Vibramate if you are not sure if you want to use a Bigsby and just want to try it out. Yeah, hopefully I'll play some tunes with this after I get it set up. And should be cool. Write some songs. Yay, good times. Alright, thanks for watching.